Hi, I'm Aaron from Columbia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your box wheels. For the box wheel repair kit, you need a 3/8 bolt driver. You can also use a pair of pliers or a crescent wrench. You get your 2 box wheel bolts, your 2 wheels, your 2 O-rings, your 2 nylon bushings, and your 2 steel washers. Start by assembling your wheels. You take your O-ring, put it over top of the aluminum wheel. Same thing on the other side, the other wheel. Take your nylon bushing, insert it inside. Take your wheel bolt, put it through the bushing. Take your steel washer and put it on top of the threaded part of the wheel bolt. Same thing with the other wheel. Bushing, bolt, washer. To remove your old box wheel, simply take the bolt driver and reverse the bolt off. Discard the old wheel, replace it with the new wheel. Tighten it down nice and tight. Make sure it spins. Repeat those steps on the other side. When you're all done putting your new wheels on, you're ready to go again. Thank you for watching today's repair video. For more instructional videos, please go to columbiatools.com.